chest up. Again, we're gonna have to deal with the knee and elbow connecting. So if I come around, he starts pushing my chest up. He gets, because he's got both arms inside, and gets that knee connected, he's gonna start recovering guard. Okay. So when someone starts separating my chest from their chest, I know this knee is gonna start sliding through to connect, so I gotta block it. And the way I do that is with knee on belly. Okay, because essentially he's trying to get on knee on belly on me. By bringing that knee back in front, and I want to beat him and get my knee on belly first. If I don't react quick enough when he pushes me with his arms, that knee comes in and he's got knee on belly on me. Okay. So my hand is over here on the hip, hugging the hip with my elbow in. He starts to push me up. I slide this knee to my elbow. Okay. I'm trying to do the same thing he's trying to do. He's trying to slide his knee to his elbow, and I'm going to try to get to it first. Okay. Now I come up on my left foot, so bringing that left knee off the floor. He's still pushing my shoulders and my chest. And now I'm going to deflect his arms. Because he's pushing so high on me, I'm just going to dive up towards his head with my arms like this. That's going to move his arms. And then I'm going to mount the same way I did before. If he's pushing my hip or wedging my hip, that's not really what I'm going to do. Again, the reaction that we're dealing with right now is they're pushing your chest with both arms. Okay, so I get in, he's pushing up, I pop up, and then I just use my hip extension and I dive forward, go to my hands, and then I bring my left heel in. I don't want his elbow to go wedge right back inside there as I travel to mount. So I make sure I quickly bring this leg in as my right hip drops and my right ankle hits the floor, and then I pull my right heel in to his hip, to his glute. Okay. So a lot of times this is more like you're passing the guard and they're trying to block you versus like you've already established. Like you're not going to be in this position, it's going to happen. You're passing the guard, they get the hands on the chest, shoot up the knee on belly, deflect the arm, and go to mount from knee on belly. So this is our knee on belly to mount. Sometimes if this elbow wedged more in the hip a little bit, there, I'll catch it and pull it up and slide my hip under. But I don't like to try to go to mount here because the same thing will happen as before. When I go across, he's going to push my hip. He's going to off balance. He's going to off balance me. So make sure you're dealing with this arm here. Okay, he's pushing my chest. You've got to get that arm out of the hip if you want to mount. You don't have to mount. You can just stay here and go back to an underhook and go back down to chest, right? Where I can attack the far side armbar here. So I want everybody to practice going to mount from knee on belly now. 1, 2.